Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on a BMW M4. First, gather your essential tools, including a 17mm wrench, an oil filter housing tool, and a drain pan. Make sure you have new approved engine oil, a fresh oil filter, and a new drain plug washer. Warm up your engine for about 10 minutes to ensure the oil drains thoroughly. Finally, safely lift and secure your vehicle on jack stands or a lift, ensuring it is stable. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug on the oil pan. It's usually a 17mm bolt. Place your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Carefully remove the drain plug and let the old oil flow out completely. This might take several minutes. Once drained, inspect the drain plug and remember to replace its washer with a new one to prevent leaks. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. The oil filter housing is typically found on top of the engine. Use a 32mm socket to carefully unscrew and remove the housing cap. Take out the old filter element and replace the 3 O-rings on the cap with new ones, lubricating them with fresh oil. Insert the new filter, then reinstall and tighten the cap to 25 Newton meters. Finally, let's add the new oil and perform final checks. Reinstall the drain plug with its new washer, tightening it to 25 Newton meters. Now, add approximately 7 liters of new, approved BMW engine oil through the filler cap. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, carefully checking for any leaks around the drain plug and filter housing. After a short drive, verify the oil level using the electronic dipstick.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.